How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can remove multiple accounts on Facebook. For this, you want to launch the Facebook app on your device, be it iPhone or Android. If you don't have this app, then you can head over to Play Store or App Store to get this application. Now, if you want to remove multiple accounts, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From here, as you can see, this is your current account. If you tap on this drop down menu, you're going to find all the accounts that you are currently logged into. Now, if you want to remove it, then first of all, you want to tap on the logout option. Tap on logout over here. Once you log out, you're going to find all the accounts over here. What you want to do is tap on these three dots. Then Manage Profiles is going to open. Now you want to select the profile that you want to remove. Once you have selected it, you have the option of Remove Profile. Tap on that option. Here it says you will need to enter your phone number or email address and password the next time you log in. Any end-to-end encrypted messages stored on this device will also be deleted. If you want that, tap on the remove option. Once you do that, this account has been removed. Now you can remove any other accounts that you want as well. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.